Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Spotify username. So for that, first thing is you open the Spotify on the web browser. So open a Google browser on your PC, then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in spotify.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Spotify, where you will need to get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in, here you will have your profile name. Click that, and there you need to click on account. Click that. On the account view, you will have your account profile over here, and you can see the username over here. This is the username which I cannot change. It is given to you when you create your Spotify account. You cannot change it, but there is one other one which you can change it. So let me show you how you can do that. So the other username which I'm talking about is this over here at the right side of your screen. It is also a display name, so you can change this one. Click on the profile over here, then you click on the dotted horizontal line, click that, then click on edit profile, and there you will be able to change it to a different one. You remove this and type in the different name that you want, then you click on save. Now you can see the name over here on the top has been changed. That's basically how you can change the name to a different one. This is the only name which is changeable, and the username which I showed you at the first, nobody can see it except you yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notification and updates.